All-On-4 / teeth in a day, which we call the Parrock Dental same-day solution, same-day implant solution, involves, it's usually for people who have a problem with most of their teeth. You know, they're missing most of their teeth, broken, affecting their smile, confidence, chewing. So it's a holistic approach, usually per jaw or the full mouth. It's a very cost-effective way to replace their teeth with fixed teeth with dental implants. And by placing usually from between 4 to 6, usually, sometimes more implants, we can then give a same-day fixed teeth solution. A lot of people who've got advanced gum disease where all their teeth are loose, they've lost a lot of bone and gum around their teeth, and they're having difficulty chewing, they don't look very nice. Then we've got a lot of patients who, for one reason or another, got most of their teeth broken with only a few of their own healthy teeth remaining, so overall the teeth are generally not good, or they're wearing dentures and they're missing the teeth already. So it's really a solution where most of the teeth in the jaw overall are in a bad situation, need to be removed and replaced. And so we can consider a fixed solution with implants, which can tick a lot of things in the same go, really, in terms of giving fixed teeth. We can really plan and design to give you the best appearance of the teeth and the gum. And the color we can choose as well, go carte blanche, pick a nice color. So we can really tick all the boxes to give you the best result in a very cost-effective way.